Let's begin reading. The 206 bones in the human body protect internal organs, move the body with help from the muscles, frame the body, and some bones make red blood cells. This single sentence is really full of information. In order to remember that information, a note needs to be taken. So we're going to make a relationship here. We're going to just try to decide what is important. Did they give us any facts? Well, we do know that there are 206 bones in the human body. So the note that we take might be bones. That's what they're talking about, bones. There are 206. That's my note. It's very short. And then it goes on to say protects internal organs. Well, that's a function. Now we're talking about a function area. So bones protect organs. Protect internal organs. Well, where else would they be but internal? Our organs are inside of us. You might not need this word. So protect organs. But if you're worried that you might get confused that this organ would be the musical instrument that you play, perhaps you'd want to put internal in there. Move the body with help of the muscles. Okay, that's another function of the bones. So they move movement. But they also have help from muscles. So maybe I'll do a parenthesis. Muscles help. So this is like one thing that they do, and here's another thing that they do. Frame the body. Frame body. So frame body, that is talking about like the structure. So we're not like a blob, like a jellyfish. So frame body, and that would give like a structure. Oh, now I understand. See how you're thinking about each of the things that you're reading. So when you jot the note, it makes more sense. And some bones make red blood cells. Okay, so this is another function. Make red blood cells. But that's only with some of the bones. So we're just going to go some. Now this may be my way of thinking of the information. Yours is going to be uniquely yours. If this works for you, then you just go ahead and follow what I'm doing. It's my gift to you, right? But this is a very individual and unique way of thinking. And if I knew the way you personally thought, I would just teach it that way and we would be finished. But everyone thinks a little bit differently, similarly, but uniquely. So you're going to have to try this out a little bit as you read and jot your notes. But you do not want to have sentence structure. It's already in a sentence. And this is like ofs, ins, thes, as. Your brain doesn't need to have that listed when the note is taken. It's too much information in your brain to store it anyway. And your brain will give all of those words, those baby words, back to you if you needed to express yourself, like answering a question, because you speak English. All right, it's going to come out of you that way. So this is what I would take as far as a note for this information. Let's go on.